The white and gold color combination is simple and beautiful. You can thread a bead as you like. The thread tail is smooth so it can be used at the end of the thread. Thread into gold beads. Rethread one bead. Add one gold bead and one white bead. Thread through the thread bridge in the middle of the bead. Thread through the white bead upward. Add a gold bead. Thread through the same thread bridge. Add a bead. Add one gold bead. Thread through the first thread bridge. Add a bead. Add a white bead. Thread through the second thread bridge. Add a bead. Add a gold bead. Thread through the second thread bridge. Add a gold bead. Rethread both same beads.
Stitch, every thread that waits. In her workshop, love resides, where art and craft.
Keep doing until the fifth row of white beads. Go through to white beads. Then go through to gold beads. Then continue to add beads.
Reflection of her loving heart. Oh, the beauty she
Add two beads to the left and right. Then continue to go through the next row. At the end, go through the white bead on the opposite side.
Where art and craft abide.
Add a gold bead. Go through the next line. Continue to add a gold bead. Go through the next line. Add 5 beads and a lobster button. Go through the beads. Then continue to add beads.
Threads and beads.